I saw my mum got something from my brother to help him with his studies, but it might help me with my YouTube. Let's go and steal it. Hopefully you've noticed my dad's new setup to make our videos better, but when we have to use the little camera or a phone even, we can record my voice with this. Let's open it. This is what it looks like. To start recording, you just switch this little switch up. And it comes up with that thing right there under the screen. And now it's probably recording my voice. And you can see you can talk into there and everything, or you can plug like headphones in or a microphone in, something like that. And it also tells you how long you've been recording it for, right there on the screen. And yeah, it worked really well. You can also use a plug-in microphone. Luckily, I have one that can clip onto my shirt. Let's see how this sounds. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. How's that sound, guys? Hopefully it sounds awesome. Or at least good. Medium even. Let's test out the sound on this little camera. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Let's check out the sound on my dad's iPhone. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. I can also plug in headphones and hear myself. That sounds weird. All my dad has to do now is plug this into his computer. Dad also had to convert the files from the recorder to MP3 for them to be compatible. This has been another Gadget Tech Review by Carla. Thanks for watching. Bye!